Me and Yuki are out for another walk again. Can't find him though. Yuki! Where are you? You're playing, he's playing, he was behind me. Go on then, go on then. All these are going to be cherry blossom trees. So it's all going to be pink in April, hopefully. You can see here it's really nice. So I'm just filming as we walk along. I don't have much to particularly talk about. There's Yuki again. Alright boy? Here we are. Alright boy? Yuki! Good boy. We don't have any snacks with us, so it's just walking. That's where we just came from. So we're just walking. There he is up there. Playing game. Coming down now boy? So I'm a bit warm, so I'm going to try and find a bit of a shady bit. Because stupidly I put on 2 jackets today because I was cold in the house. So I'm going to go up here where it's a bit more shady and there's a little picnicky bit there. So I'm going to go in there and read my book while he runs around for a while. You can see him better now. And then I'm going to go to a different spot. So yeah, it's just me. Nob is at work, so we're out, aren't we boy? Yeah, jumping up there. Alright, I'll catch you for part 2. Part 2 guys, I told you there'd be a part 2. He's loving it. Where were you running off to then, eh? I almost lost his lead. When I was looking for the camera, I bent down, obviously looking for the camera, found the camera, dropped the lead. Stupid me. There was a break there, some people were coming and Yuki stopped when people's coming. Right. Here we go. We're going somewhere else now. We're going over there. Come on boy. There you are. So we are now over here. Yuki? There she is. Come on boy. So this is a new area where we can do also all sakura trees. A little plaque up there. Of course I don't know what it says. There's Yuki. And yeah. We can go over there. Yuki. Come on boy.